I want to throw in a quick video here, talk about some errors that you might have gotten at this step. So let's go to our add or remove programs for our computer. You may have gotten some errors that you could not install the module or that modules could not be found. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that you want to check on your computer. And the first one is to go find your Python installation. Here's Python, and we're going to click Modify. Yes. And we're going to modify our program. And there's a couple things I want you to check. One is we want to make sure pip was installed. If you did not install pip, that is the package manager for Python. And you need the package manager in order to install the module we want to use, which is the request module. So make sure pip was checked when you installed. And the other thing you want to do is make sure you check the box to add Python to your environment variables. And what that does is it tells Windows when you do a Python command or pip command, it tells Python goes through and looks at all the different directory locations that are in your path. Okay. So it goes through, it looks at your system folder, your Windows folder, looking for these things that you're trying to run so that you don't have to be specific. You can just type the name of a file you want to run. If you don't have Python, the Python folders in your environment variables, then it may not be able to find modules even if you have them. It may not be able to find pip even if you've installed it. So make sure that box is checked as well. And then when that's completed, and I didn't change anything, so I'm not sure why it would even take that long. The other thing that you might need to do is from your command prompt. Let this finish over here. Make use of pip, the Python package installer. And what pip does, it's a package management tool that lets us type a command, and it goes out and gets the modules we need off of the internet and installs them on our system. So we're working with the request module. So we want to pip install requests. So if you tried to do this before and you didn't have your environment variable set up, it may not have been able to find pip. Okay, that's why we double check the things, make sure pip was installed and that our environment variables were updated. If they are, then you should be able to run this command, say, hey pip, go out, find the request module online and install it for me. It's really that easy. And then it goes out. Mine, it says the requirement's already satisfied because I already have it installed. If you didn't have the request module installed, it would install the request module for you. And those are the errors that you might have encountered trying to do the steps in these videos.